Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we're going to talk here about the best way to stay out of trouble with ransomware, malware, viruses of all kinds. We talked about email being the number one danger. We talked about how if you don't update your system, it's extremely dangerous, as most viruses and most malware actually try to infect through a security flaw. Well, my third video, no, I'm not going to talk about antivirus because it is unimportant in security up to a certain point. There's still too many people that think you got to buy the big gun package of antivirus that costs a fortune every year or whatever. No, you don't need that. It's not that keeps you safe. As a tech guy, I don't know how many people infected I got and had paid antivirus of all sorts. More and more, the viruses and a lot of security companies will tell you more and more viruses and malware are totally undetected by the antivirus software. It is untrue that they are keeping you safe 100%. It's untrue that if you're not careful and if you click anything in your email, my antivirus is going to protect me. It is something made believe by the big antivirus companies to try to get you to pay for it because they don't want to have free software that does a job. Your Windows security is enough, because what you need to understand is that the real security is you, once again. And of course, people are insecure, so they think that by having a big gun antivirus, if they don't know what they're doing, they're going to be safe. It's not the way it works. And believe me, over 15 years of tech guy duties made me see that people do know when something weird is happening and they should back away from it. The video here is to talk about just using common sense. Whether it's when you go surfing on the web, don't click anything that says, "Oh, you're missing this or that." Even almost a year after Flash Player is gone, there's still tons of weird web pages, that still say, "Oh, you're missing a Flash Player plugin." Incredible. You know what? These are all fake. You do not click on any of that. You do not install something that's missing. 90% of the web does not require any extra than what you already have to view the content. And if you're careful where you browse, where you go, be careful not to, download illegal software, movies, music. These are all people that get bitten and are always asking the tech guy to fix their infected PCs. These are all the people that have these tremendous antivirus software and think they're safe, but no, they're not, because they got infected, even with the antivirus being there. Everything that is of the illegal nature on the internet is always a big danger for security. And I don't know how many times I told people, so you downloaded a couple of movies, got bitten, had to pay the tech guy. It would have cost you less to just buy the movie. It's one of those weird things that people, I don't know, want to save money and they end up not saving money. So what you do on the internet, be careful. Just, go to your regular websites. You can surf, you can search for, all sorts of things. Just always be careful where you go, what you do. Do not click anything that could be installed. If you are up to date, that was my previous video, with your system, with your browser, you're already very secure online. Even a website that is shady, that could have something to infect you, cannot do it directly and you're infected. Do not believe any of those websites that say, they're often with some kind of voice, "You are now, infected. Please call the Microsoft hotline here and we will fix your problem." These are all fake. These are all fake. You just shut down your browser. You just restart your PC. You're going to be back to normal. You're not infected. It's not, once again, Easy like that. But if you click something to download and install it, that could be a danger. So if you don't know what you have, if you don't know what to download to do something, do not do it. Just keep, the common sense of being careful everywhere. Not downloading whatever you see, not going into illegal downloads of all kinds. And you know what? With that common sense, a basic antivirus like the Windows security, which is fine, and of course being careful with email, use your common sense all the time, and you'll not have viruses. And I can tell you there are a lot of people out there that are careful and never had a virus in their whole life using a PC. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.